today's video, we're going to be unboxing and doing Battle of the Ipsies. Which one is the better deal for the month of June? Now don't worry, Haley and I will be coming back and doing Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. Hers has not come in yet. So you're gonna get a little sneak peek of what I received for the month of June in my Ipsies. And then I'll be back later in the month and we'll go head to head with her bag versus mine. So anyways, before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hey, welcome. Yes. Got this from, I think it was Belk. I don't know. Anyways, I'm all about the cozy shirts over here, whether it's quarantine or not. I'm all about the cozy. But I'm also about embracing the hot mess. So if you're a hot mess, just stop scrolling, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because over here we embrace the hot mess. We run on a lot of caffeine and it's a judgment, drama, and stress-free zone. So, and also, there's a lot of giveaways. I'll talk more about the giveaways a little bit later in the video, but let's go ahead and jump into our Ipsies. So I'm gonna start off with the Ipsy Glam Bag, and this actually is $12 a month. I do wanna give a shout out to my Patreons. All Patreon donations go right back into the channel to purchase the Ipsies so we can unbox these. And let's go ahead. I have not even peeked in the bag. This is a heavy bag. What in the world? Oh. Well, would you look at that? I'm really confused. I did not order this. Did I? Did I order this? Maybe? Okay. Maybe these are my add-ons and maybe I don't have my bag. Well, that took a turn. That took a big time turn. Okay, so apparently I did an add-on that I don't remember doing. Have you guys ever done that before? And I got a, or maybe this was, heck, I don't know what this is all about, guys. I don't understand.
I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. I don't understand.
Okay, so I got a Morphe palette. I don't think I bought this. Maybe I picked, did I pick this? I mean, I'm scatterbrained, so like, maybe I did kind of pick this. It looks like it's a bronzing highlighter palette. It's pretty. I really don't understand.
I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. I don't understand.
Okay, so there's that. There's no card in here. I also, I was wanting this because I did pick up a sample a while back. This is the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in the shade Medium. And I really like this foundation. Like I said, I had done an add-on sample size of it right here. And this was in light medium, so yay, I got a little bit darker. I don't know if it'll match me, but I really like this foundation. I'm a little stunned and confused with life right now, but I'm gonna have to check my Ipsy account and see what's going on here, because like, I don't know. I haven't received my regular bag. Let's just go ahead. I guess we'll do the unboxing, and then if I end up with a bag, you'll see it in the battle of the bags, mother versus daughter, Ipsy versus Ipsy. So let's talk about this. Hopefully this is the actual subscription, but this is the $25 plus tax subscription, which again, I use our Patreon donations to purchase this and be able to unbox it for you guys. And there is a profile base that Ipsy does, and they're supposed to go off of your profile. Now I will tell you guys, I made mine younger. I used to go by my age, which now is 42, but I found that I just was not getting good things. It was like all the leftover crud that nobody wanted, so I switched it to like mid-20s, and I typically get a good variety of everything. So okay, so jumping right in, this is what it looks like. Let's see if this card, I'm so clueless. Okay, so on the card, it's not giving me any information on the items, which I'm a little like bummed out about because it makes my life a little bit harder. You guys, I'm not even gonna fib. you do get to choose one item in your box, and I'm like 99.99% sure this is not anything that I picked at all. All right, so let's just start off with the first thing in the box. This is the Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. So actually, I haven't tried this yet, but this is full size. And I did, again, a month or so ago on add-ons. I want to say I did pick this up. I'm not mad about it. I've been really into a lot of self-care, more than normal, because we're all inside. Moving on. This is another liquid liner, Arcilla Freak. I don't know. It's I'm assuming a felt tip liner. I'm not going to open it because these always just go straight over to Hailey. The next item I got is by Gigi Gorgeous, and it says the only blush duo. I will say we've gotten like a bronzer duo before in the past, and I liked it. Actually was able to contour with it a little bit too. So, are we serious? Okay, here we go. Oh, that's a little concerning. Is it swatched? Oh my gosh. Okay. The colors are really pretty. I don't know. Let's see if I can see if my kid. Do you guys see over here? Is that swatched or is that just heat? Actually, this has been in my house for like over a day. Do you guys see that? What is that? Huh. It's probably nothing. I mean, it is really pretty. But wow, this, I mean, I'm sure it's nothing. I'm gonna tell myself it's nothing. I mean, the packaging didn't look like it had been opened, so it's probably just the heat or something, right? I don't know. Okay, so the next thing is Good and Doc AC Control Blemish Spot Treatment. Wow, this is coming at a really good time because whew, my skin has been going through it. So this is a full size item here. That's what the box looks like. It does say not for resale on the back. I know sometimes people ask. I don't think this is a sample size, but I think that the Ipsy just, you know, or subscription companies just get to buy things in bulk at a lesser price, and so the company puts not for resale on the back just because they don't want to lose money. And it actually says it here on the container, or the little component. It says AC Control Blemish Spot Treatment. It's brightening, and it's made in Korea. Have you guys ever tried this brand before? I mean, I feel like Korean beauty is always like really good. So let me know down below. The last item that is in this box, which I'm assuming is mine. I mean, it has my name on it, but I don't remember picking any of this. This is by Ciate London. This is a metallic glitter eyeshadow. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, let's open it up. I actually don't mind these. That's pretty. We'll go ahead and swatch it. That's what the inside looks like. It's like a pretty purple. Ooh. Ignore the other swatches. I filmed an unboxing. I picked up some stuff from e.l.f. So I had swatched it. That's pretty. It's like a grape purple. And then of course the last item in here is the cute little bag, which again is like the same typical size that you would get for the Ipsy Glam Bag, the $12 subscription. So my thoughts, I'm confused as sin. Like I don't, okay, so instead of focusing on I don't know what's going on, I'm telling myself it's probably just the heat. I don't know if my camera could pick up it kind of looking like it had been touched, but like I said, the box didn't look like it had been opened, so I'm sure it's just like sweat from the humidity or something like that. I mean, like I said, that's what I'm gonna tell myself. I'm excited to try this. Maybe that was something I had picked, I don't recall, but I can't stand these. I get so annoyed when I get these liquid pencils because I have numerously put on my review and everything, like, I don't want those, please don't send them to me, and I keep getting them. So I don't know what's going on with that. I can't tell you guys how much the retail value of this is, and I don't know. I still don't understand. This must have been an add-on of some kind that I did without remembering. I don't know. I've been kind of off lately, but like, that's a weird thing. I'm so baffled. I'm really confused. So anyways, guys, I don't know. I mean, honestly, hold up. 1, 2, I got 5 items in here, and honestly, I'm excited about trying out the Korean beauty product, but in the Hey Honey, and I mean, I think that this is it's okay. It's just okay. I'm not gonna beat around the bush. It's not my favorite at all. Wow. Okay. I don't know. Stay tuned. Hopefully I will end up getting the other bag. I know you guys tuned in for 2 unboxings. You get one. And a lot of confusion. So, welcome to my video channel, whatever. Okay, that's all for now. Anyways, guys, there are 2 giveaways going on the channel right now, as well as over on my Instagram, so I will link all of that down in the comment section below. I will pin the post or pin the comment for you guys, so all you'll have to do is just click on each video, go over there, enter into those giveaways, and then go over to Instagram. Make sure you're following me, make sure that you are subscribed and all of that. Hopefully I'll be back very soon doing an Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter, and getting a bit of an explanation. I need to go dig through my Ipsy account and figure out what is going on. So anyways, friends, until next time, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Subscribe before you go. I'd love to have you as part of our family and this craziness. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!